Okay, good morning! Happy Monday! Hindi na namin na-close yung vlog, but dito kami. Nagluluto ng sisi ng breakfast. And aalis kami. Where are we going, Ayla?
Burnside.
Yes, we're gonna go to Burnside. Bago daw. Hindi ko pa nakita yung bagong may second floor. Oo, bihira dito sa Australia may dito sa Adelaide na may elevator ang mall. Escalator pala. So pupunta natin yung escalator. Naman sa atin normal na yan sa SM. No? Oo. Dito hindi. Hindi siya normal. Kaya pag may bago, kailangan natin mag-discount. Oh yes, yun ang wala kayo. Yes, yun ang wala kayo. Maraming playground dito. Kahit saan. Mag-long drive ka, may makadadaanan ka. Yeah, yun ang marami. Kung meron na sa Pinas, ang grass, grabe naman. Rusty. Tinanggal. At least may play. Yun ang kinagandahan dito as in yung playground. Ang dami. Marami kaming playground. Oo, no. Mall, outdoor, kahit saan. Name it. Kasi yung escalator sa dami, bihira lang talaga yan dito. Sa Marion lang ang meron. Marion, sa Melbourne, yun.
Meron man sa Allendale mo, di ba? Yung like, escalator sila pababa sa ano. Pero hindi siya.
H&M, yun lang. Pero hindi yung, alam mo, pag nag-mall ka, yung makikita mo yung ibang store. Wala tayo.
Multiple floors.
Wala. Sa Melbourne,
Aling
meron.
mga tula.
Tula. Yes, dalawa lang para sa Marion. Sa Melbourne, okay lang. Yan, medyo mataas. What's that, Baba? Punta tayo. Ang sarap ng aming breakfast.
Ano tayo ng egg?
Ayan. Eggs. Yung aming spring roll kami kasi kagabi dapat pero hindi na natuloy.
Kalimutan.
Pero sarap din ang ulam namin kagabi. Hindi na kailangan. Iinit natin sa air fryer. So, balatan natin itong hotdog. Ano itong hotdog, be?
Ano yan?
Ay! Mga old... OG yung ating hotdog, guys.
Ano ba kasi maliit?
Oo. Yung talaga yung maliliit talaga tayo. Nainitan ba ako dito sa suot ko? Mainit ba ngayon? Naka-heat-tech pa ako nito kasi alam mo naman.
Ano ba ako mag-jump na ba?
Tingnan mo si Doc. Doc! Inaaliw niya si Indy. Ako yung nauna, tinawag na ni Tita Reyes. Okay. Yeah, okay, come on. Come on! Say hi, guys! Come on! We're going to put this one that is coming down, okay? Later we put it back. Tapos na ang lahat, kami na lang dalawa. Hinintay namin yung rice, maluto. Ubus yung guys, spring rolls. Hindi talaga ako natira ng spring rolls. Gustong-gusto ng mga bata kasi din yun eh. Ito, tira to ni Holly. Plato natin. Sarap ng hotdog. Hindi. Diyan pala ang aga guys, umalis. Mga 7:30 ata. Maghapon daw siya dun eh. May pinalagay siya sa car. Well, dati na yun nasa car. Nung umalis kami, pinatanggal niya. Dahil kung nag-holiday, pinatanggal niya yan. Tapos ngayon ibabalik. Nakalimutan ko lang yung tawag. Half day daw yung gagawin. Sabi ko nga, kahit huwag na ilagay, okay naman yung ano. Yung alam mo naman yun. Maano siya sa car. Maarte. Alright, balik na tayo guys. Ang agenda ko talaga is, bili tayo ng camera.
Arlo, babe, ha?
Yeah, don't worry about Arlo.
Hindi na nga ako inaano. Sabi ko, Arlo, I love you. Wala mo, hindi ako pinapansin.
Oo. Ano naman yung karasling niya eh.
Yeah,
Si Kuya Sak.
Kasi sinabihin ko siya, do you want to come with us or do you want to stay with the boys? Stay with the boys.
Oh, very good. Okay, Dami ate, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, lobster. Dito na tayo sa Burnside. Well, ano to? Yung ano nila, village market nila to.
Punta tayo sa bago na area.
Pasok tayo dito sa Heggs Chocolate. Bili tayo ng pinatikin sa atin ni Sising ano, hot chocolate. Yan. Hindi yan. Ito yung makapal. Yung makapal?
No, coconut yun. Hindi
Ah.
chocolate.
Lemon slice. Tapos ngayon wala, no? Parang wala akong lemon slice. Tapos yung tsura, pero pag binasa mo, ayan, milk lemon slices. Slices to. Ayan. Kako. Isa lang muna. Ikaw, ilang kunin mo? Dalawin ko na, no? Ang dami tayo. Okay, and buti na lang. Dalawa sa akin, nagpaubaya si Sisi. Dito naman siya eh. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Ito, dapat kinuha niya na lang para ibigay dito sa dalawa. Wala na pala. Oh, wow. Oh, last. Wala na raw. Sold out na sila. Lucky. Okay. Ay, buti na lang. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Ganda rin yan. Dito tayo sa Zara.
Have any water?
Sorry ka, sis. Sabi ni Ayla, Mom, you already have that one. Na ano siya, na-sermon na siya. Bata na yung nag-control. Ano sila, human statue ng Zara. Cute. Let's go, baby. Saan tayo nakuha, guys? Dito kami sa Sarah Kids. Yes, baby?
That was in Zara?
Yes. Meron kuha niya. Yung nakuha namin na Stitch last time, nag-sale na.
Not better ones.
Yeah.
Which one?
Ito pa sa kanya to.
This one? This is nice, no, but it's too small.
Too small. You need bigger. Ayan no, nag-sale na yung suit niya. Ayan oh. Yan na yung kay Holly. Come on, you wanna help? Yung mga nakuha niya. Nakasale naman kasi. So, ready na siya for summer. Asa ka pupunta ng handang? Oh, madami mo na tayo dideclutter. Parang wardrobe mo na to, Holly.
You got me feeling good, right about your side. Lost in every move. smile. Baby, hold me tight. Let me trace your lies. Keep it low, cause you dropping it down. We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can we tune it out? Show you all I know. Let me ease your mind. Can I? Come by 6:08. Give me another minute of your time. We'll turn it upside down. Can be sick all night, cause we'll switch it up inside out. And I give all that you want. Let me make you say like.
Dito na kami sa second floor. Ayan siya. Ah, dito? Dito? Alright. Ayan si Mecca. Ayan yung Mecca. Bobby, come here. Ah, ang ganda. Okay. Ay! Be, ang ganda. Ang dami yung ano. Pwede ba? Diyan ka lang muna, saglit lang. Oh, so ang bigat. Hindi ito like crochet. Ibang, ano siya, ibang brand. Tingin lang tayo dito. Katulad sa bahay. Naalala niyo? Yung mga hinugasan ko. Magaganda doon. Meron sila ditong le crochet, guys. Ayan. Alright. Pumasok na ako dyan. Ah, careful! Careful, that's enough. Nalobat kasi ako. Oh, careful na running here, baby, ha? Ah. Ito yan. Ito talagang pinunta natin dito. JB Hi-Fi. Buying a new one.
How come generations is not like that?
Pasok tayo dito.
Mine is something.
Ayun. Andito ang camera natin. Hindi yan? Ah, hindi ba yan? Ah, yung luma yan? Ito. Combo to. Ito yung bibili natin. Yung single, hindi yung creator combo. Well, it will vibrate.
Oh, really?
Yeah. See? Touch this one. You feel that?
Yeah.
You feel the vibration?
Yeah. We do.
See, yeah, so that's why she don't use this one.
That is yours. You are good to go.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh my God, you,
You have a
made my
lovely
day.
day.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my God, kinikilig ako. Oh my God, hindi ako makapaniwala. Sa bahay na lang ako mag-chika about dito sa ating bagong camera. But I'm so happy. Nasa ano na yung mga bata, nasa milk tea. Saan kaya yung milk tea? Dito tayo bababa. Ito yung bagong Mecca. Pero wala naman akong kailangan dyan. Hinanap ko yung girls. Saan yung milk tea dito? Ayun siya. Tinatawagan ko siya, hindi siya sumasagot. Tinatawagan kita, hindi ka sumasagot. Pumunta kayo sa Coles, ang liit ng cabbage nila. Eto, tingnan nyo, ang laki. Tapos, 5 lang. Ito naman si sis. Kumakaano talaga, halatang halata. May okra kasi. Wala. Tsaka. Wala. Mas masarap sana yun. Masarap. Mo. Kasi puro green na para naman makita. Malunggay. Yung frozen. Na-load na pala namin yung mga pinamili sa car. Bumalik kayo dito kasi yung batang to, meron siya mga gift cards.
I got 3. 2 has a 50, and that's 100, and another 15, which is 115, and plus my cash.
Yeah,
$30.
$30. So, hindi pa siya tapos mag-shopping.
And then we're gonna go somewhere else to spend my cash money.
Where you gonna go?
I don't know. I wanna check like outside.
Toilet muna kami. Ano na, be? Ayaw mo pa matulog? Dito na kayo sa Peter. Yeah, Peter Alexander. No down. You don't have that one?
That's the dark blue.
Alright.
That's from Best and Less. That's from Best and Less.
Yeah, that one. How about lavender? Lavender pink. Sa pink hindi
How
siya.
much even are these?
How much daw? I don't know. Let me see. Check how much.
This is
How much? 79. So you still have, you can only get one because you have 115.
115.
So you,
Get it from the box, Bob.
I'll get it from the box. What's that?
There it is. 10? Yeah, check.
Come on.
Open it, check.
Oh no.
Because one doesn't have Peter Alexander on, and I don't know which one's that one.
So that one's Peter Alexander.
It's on him.
So nag-add siya ng ano.
This one's the white one. She's got gift cards. Okay.
Parang weird.
Just I'm gonna wait.
Oh, look. Dalaga ka na holy, oy.
That one has $4. No, so $4.95 the pack.
Okay, so how
Do you
much?
have more money? $4.95. So $5.
Oh, sorry, Bob. You get money. You have to massage daddy again to get the $30.
You just need $5.
Yes, thank you.
Oh my gosh, now you're poor. Don't have enough money.
Mahal ng pajama mo, ah.
Oh, we gotta
Thank
keep that.
you.
That's very...
Well done, Baba. Thank you. Bye. Ang laki ng Uniqlo nila, ha? Kami sa Uniqlo, nagta-try on. Nagtitwinning kami, ah. Kid size din tong akin. Size 13. Yung kay Holly, 7 to 8. Yung sa akin, 13. Okay na. Na, come here. Let me see. Here, in the mirror. Ha? Searching? Alright. Meron pa dito na twinning kami. Okay, let's go. All good. Oo, pareho kami. Oo. Kayo na magti-twinning. Ito kami sa Smiggle.
Mom, I can't find the price on it.
Kasi meron pa siyang $50 na gift card. At the back. Where's the barcode is? Yun. Yan. Squish it out.
Very cute.
How much is that one?
This is $16.95.
Okay.
So you just have to...
Oh, sorry, you're right.
From the
No, very top to the
the
end.
very, very top here. This
Yeah.
one. So like this is the end right here.
Yeah.
And then you'll enter in 42 and 60.
60.
And then the
Okay.
big green button. I'll hand this one back to you just in case. I assume there's more on it. And did you want your receipt?
Yes, please. So how many Left.
Do I have left?
I don't know. She cannot check. So, yeah. Thank you. All right. Okay, happy na ang lahat. Let's go.
Mom, can you help out?
Thank you.
I need to take this back.
Sus.
Mommy.
Book bones.
Mom,
Pork
am I having what you're having?
Yeah, pork bones.
Yummy! Yummy!
Pork bones.
I'm getting your
And do you know what jacket the girl was wearing there? What? The ones I have. She goes, yeah, it's coming back. They're really good. So I know, I've lost through them.
See, guys? Sabi ko yung...
Yeah.
So what you got? Same?
Half price jumper.
Wow.
Yeah, down 200.
Sabi... Bili siya ng ano.
They have these.
So it was a wife and a husband shopping day today then.
Yeah, look.
Oh, it's not for myself. I shop it for my girl.
This is the ones I should have got in black, but
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
and they're real,
Yeah, so for him then.
really warm. Yeah, you know, it's a track down.
That's nice. You need something like that.
Really warm.
They feel good actually.
Yeah.
Oh, meron siya yung gray.
Yeah, they don't. I've got the grey ones like Tully wearing.
All colors din siya.
And this is an item that I seen, and this is the first thing I put in the hand.
Oh my God.
I couldn't find them anywhere in
Mochino.
in Queensland.
Nakakuha siya. Ayun yung hinahanap niya.
Huh? That's a sick riptail shop there.
Ayan,
You'd
yung
not
hinahanap
find
niya.
anywhere in Queensland.
Queensland. Ako, ano ka na din flour.
So they're rusty.
Ayan, yung tatlo.
How much was the damage?
How much the damage?
$120.
Is that it there?
How much damage, boss? Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, mate.
Kuya, it's done, yeah. Okay, go next to daddy.
Mommy, where's mine?
Here, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kuya, you want knife?
Of course.
Siya lang yung nag-rice with 2 eggs. Pwede yung baba ko niya.
Huh?
Alright, come here, Anna.
You don't have to eat it. Yeah, don't taste it. This one's really yummy.
Mashed potatoes are yummy.
This one gives a big one.
Did you make this? Is it pictures? I thought I was having what you were having. I thought I was having what you were having.
What?
Where's Holly?
Oh, di want to sit there?
You want to sit next to Holly?
You have to finish your food though. You want to sit here? Here you go.
I want to push my seat.
Okay.
Can I have this and that?
Yeah.
You're right.
It's good. Is it the manay sa mommy's good? Huh?
Chicken and sauce.
Kita mo na yun, Mami.
Hey, what?
Is it good, Baba?
Only what? Oh. Mom, do you want some?
Ma'am, good, Baba.
Honey, yeah? What do you want mashed potatoes? I like mashed potatoes. But Titi John says mashed potato makes you strong. Yeah?
Anak mo pa, ano na talaga, kain na talaga. Kasi isang schnitzel, naghati lang si Holy, at saka
I
yung
always eat
kids
mashed
ko.
potatoes.
Mas maliit pa yun, yan, sa loob. Pero sila, mayroon na talaga silang tig-isa eh.
What does Rasta do? What's it good for?
Alo, do you want rice? Alo.
It's the same.
Yeah, same as potato.
Yeah, rice. Yeah, rice and chicken.
But it says potato is healthier than rice.
Are you doing brownies tonight?
Because it's under the ground.
No, Dan said something.
Ay, what's that?
I'm not doing rice.
No, it's all good.
Get them in there. I can do a full.
Brownies.
Brownie.
Yes, brownies.
Yes, brownie.
Coming, sir.
Is there ice cream with it? Is there ice cream with it?
Yeah, brownies ice cream.
My favorite dessert is brownie. Yeah, brownie's the best.
Tapos wala
Yeah,
pa.
brownie's the best in the world.
Brad?
Other than that. Yeah. My mom got it.
Her legs are actually laying it down there. She's putting herself out.
You're a big girl.
You got
Shopping ko today.
May shopping today talaga naman. Napakatipid ng shopping today.
Mom, number 6. Did I make more?
Keep eating one.
Did I get the most clothes out of it?
Shop when summer, clothes shopping kami. It's good, isn't it, babe?
Like some people got 10.
Is it good? This is Baba?
I can make that for you for
Julia, Addison has this. Addison has this.
Addison has that. Schnitzel, yeah.
Mom, is there any more rice?
Yeah, of course. Come on, babe.
I want some rice with my schnitzel.
Hindi na tumawag sa
Mom makes the rice. I love the rice. Thank you, Mom. That's the rice.
You guys want
Thank
more rice?
you.
DJ?
Nah, you food out. You haven't had nothing yet. Give me that. Give me that. Eat your food. I'll put this in the bin.
Hindi siya pwede na umaakit na siya.
I'll put it here. Eat your food. Come on.
Kasi pinaparantos ko pa. Ano?
Ito or gusto mo yung pencil?
Mama, I don't want to eat mashed potatoes at the time.
You want rice now? Yeah?
Why is there so much water here? And then, Daddy, this isn't one. Mama,
Eat your food. Open your mouth.
Mama,
Put the food in. Put the chicken in. Got this?
Mom, isn't that like half an hour?
Yeah, sure.
30 minutes?
Yeah. Ay, hala, naka-on pa.
Pang lupa kaya to, no? Grabe yung lusog mo. Ayan na lang. Pero ang laki pa din. Diyos ko, pagtabi yung pampuli na.
Ilang piyak na magagawa ko niya.
Ang dami talaga magagawa mo dyan. Dito lang ako. Takpias lang talaga. Fairness sa kutsilyo natin muna. Fairness sa kutsilyo.
Boy!
Ito sa ko, $5.
Yun.
Ito rin Mars. $5. Pero tingnan niyo. Ayan na yung aming nilagang buto-buto na may konting pork belly. Malapit na kami kumain ni Sisi. Nilagay ko yung sili kasi gusto kong may sili. Ayan. Sa nilaga ni Mama walang sili. Pero ako gusto ko. Ayan. Pinapatulog lang ni Sisi si Indy and then kakain na kami pagbaba niya. Patayin ko na to. Thank you, Lord. Nakaupo na kami. Nakaupo na kami.
Tell me when it's...
Yes, I will let it cool first because it's really hot. Try mo muna. Try mo yung sabaw.
Yeah, tingnan ko na sa.
Gaan na kami.
Hindi ka makakuha ng costa.
Mamaya na, Bri.
Or gusto mo moscato?
Malamig naman.
Ano yun? Sarap?
Baka may pati. Ito, triple dead na to.
Nakuha ako ng lalagyan ng butobi.
Sige. Yung ano, may ano na ako. Yung, ito. Ito ang sabaw. Don't annoy me, Sa. I'm hungry. I'll try it too.
With the squash, with the squash. No. Oh,
There, I'll be bigger.
and some chili spikes.
With this one. How's our food? Unique lang siya sa mga nagbibili.
It's alright. Stop cooking.
Oh, banana.
You got it! Yeah! Oi! Careful!
Sana all. Wala yan. Wala yan. Huwag ka, babe. Huwag kang tingnan mo ito. Dito pa lang tulos. Huwag ka ganun. Huwag mo siyang susubukan. Magpapakita siya. Huwag mo yan namunin kasi may lihahan. Gusto init ka pero ayaw mo. Kasi may tinatago. Yung talaktak na yung pawis mo. May sagaba yun.
Init na panahon.
Actually, mag-DTS kasi ayaw makita yung ano.